What's up, everybody? I'm opening the 5th box, 5 out of 5 of 2018 Topps Fire. I'm going to try to fly through this. I've already opened 4 boxes for you guys and you've seen it, so you know what it's all about. Sorry, I'm still a little sniffly. It's taken me like 2 weeks to shake this stupid cold. But anyways, I'm going to try to get on through this. Just show you the highlights because you've already seen. Let's see, what do we want? Well, this will be, you've already seen me open 80 packs so far, so I think you kind of got a good idea of what's in here. So let's get in here and check out these inserts, parallels, and of course the hits. Actually, let me just pull these on out. That'll actually help me go even faster. Alright, let's do it. Starting off with an orange Kluber parallel. Then a Fire McMahon rookie. Fired up Bryce Harper. Got my fan on, got wrappers blowing everywhere. There's a Walker Buehler flamethrowers insert. That is a green Lowry to 199. Devers rookie, Chris Sale flamethrowers, Smith rookie, Jeter, Flame, Byron Buxton, Robles rookie, Garcia insert, Flame, Alex Gordon, sorry. Mixing up my Gordons. Joe Morgan, Sano, still looking for 2 hits, and we're getting on down in packs. There's a Machado Cannons. Looks like this might be the jersey card, and it is that Granite. Looks like it's just a base relic. So that's hit number 1. Still should have an autograph. Hopefully we'll go out with a bang. Bellinger Flame. It is a Chris Davis autograph. So definitely didn't go out with a bang. Not even a rookie card, so that's the Bricks kid. Let's see what else we got. This has definitely been the weakest box as far as the players have pulled as far as parallels. A Flame Davis rookie and a, well, there's a green Ryne Sandberg. That'll be numbered to 199. But even with that, this is this fifth box has definitely been the least exciting. There's no Tawny, Blackman. They can't all be stars. Fired Up Lindor. Andrews. And last pack of the box and of the 5-box marathon has Beltre, Maddox, Soto, it's nice, and an orange Buxton. And that is that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Got some more stuff coming up. There's not a ton of releases right now, kind of around the holidays, but there's still some new stuff I haven't gotten my hands on yet that I will be getting soon, so watch for that. But I've got a lot of other stuff. I've got so many videos ready to post. I've got to get them up. I don't want to overwhelm you guys, but I've got lots of stuff. I'm just gonna throw that out there. So if you haven't already, hit the little bell so you'll be notified when the videos post. I would implore you to do that now. That's it. Everybody take care. Hope you're having a great week and have a great weekend.